Hello guys, welcome to Angular series. In this tutorial I will show you how to create components in Angular and how to wrap them into Angular modules. Are you ready? So let's get started. I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. Okay, on open new terminal. So let me check where I am. I'm inside Tokyo City desktop. I'm going to change the directory, and we learned in the last episode how we can create Angular project by ng new and name of the project. It could be anything if you want. I am going to Angular 13. Okay, this is the name of my project. Or would you like to add routing? Yes, yes, and it's creating our Angular project, and we have to wait until it will be created. If you're enjoying this series, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys in advance. Okay, if you have any suggestion, any problem, you could drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you so much. It's creating our Angular project. Package installed successfully, so it means our Angular project has been created. Now let's list the project. As we can see, I created this project. Let me go inside this directory cd Angular 13. I'm inside my Angular 13. Okay, and now let me open my project inside desktop, Angular 13, and open. This is my project which I created now. So open source folder, and we have app folder. Inside app folder we have our root component, which is app component. Okay, and we have inside this folder we have one as we learned, our Angular component has three files, which is app component.html, app component.css. Every component in Angular has these four files: app component.spec.ts and app component.ts, which is our component TypeScript file. Okay, so we have only the root component. Let's see how we can create our component and how we can use inside our module. Terminal. So I'm going to create some components. For example, ng g for generate and C for component, ng generate component, the name of the component, for example, customers. Okay, I created, as you can see, I created customers component which has four files, as you can see: HTML, CSS, spec, and TypeScript. Okay, and also it's updated the app module.ts. As you can see, app module.ts, and we have created our component and wrapped automatically inside our module, which is customer component. Let's create another component, ng-gc, for example, students. See, I created a students component, and also it's wrapped inside our module, which is a student component. It's automatically okay if you use CLI, Angular CLI. For ng-gc, ng-gc, for example, teachers. See, I created components. See, inside our app we have customer components, students, teachers. And let's remove this code, and let's, okay, this is app, no, app component. Let's run the project. How we can see ng serve, we can run our project. Okay, it's successfully run. And let's check localhost. Now we see only our app component, but we don't see another we don't see our teacher component, our student, and our customer component. How we can use it? So every component has a selector, which is in our TypeScript component. See, this is our selector. By using selector, you can use this component if you want. You can create one component and use it many times everywhere you want. That's the advantages of our component. So this is our app customers, our selectors. How we can use it? Open your app component.html, and here we can, for example, we can use app customers. That's how you can use it. Bracket open, bracket close the brackets. Let's see what we see. See, this is our app component, and this is our customer component. We use it, and now we can use our students by using selector app students, and also app teachers. Save it and see. Customer component, student component, and teacher component. That's how you can create component and use it everywhere you want. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're enjoying the series, as I said, please do subscribe my channel. It motivates me to do and make more videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial.